Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So this is going to be a fun but maybe short video. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Plouise mystery box, and this is the mystery box they did for Black Friday. This was the small box and it was £25. So I've seen like a few spoilers like of what in the box is. I think there's like 5 products. Yes, it was £25. I got the small box, but I've also got the large box on the way, so we'll be doing a video on that as well. I think that was about £120. There was an item of clothing in there, but they didn't have my size, so that'll be going on my Depop because that'll be way too small for me. So just before we go into the video as well, I also want to tell you what I'm wearing on my lip today, because there's always somebody who comments like in the comments and just says like, oh, what lip are you wearing? I'm like, oh, I've forgotten. So this is the Rimmel Stay Matte liquid lip in the shade Mocha, and I've tried doing just a purple look today, like with just a colour all over the lid and then blended into the crease and then in the inner corners as well. So yeah, I quite like it. Okay, so I've opened the box, but I haven't looked inside, so I'm really excited. So let's have a look. So there is my receipt, so I'll just take it out, and here is what I got. So let's have a look. So there is the hollow gloss, so I really wanted this and I'm glad it's come in the box. So from what I'd seen online, it was just like pretty much like one of everything. So this is the gloss. I think you can buy it like on the website for about £10, but I think it is limited. So yeah, I really wanted that, so I'm glad that was in the box. So even like with that just being £10, you know, it's almost half of the box. So like 2 products would be, you know, half the box. So 2 products will be the price of the full box. The next item I've got is the basic is this from like the winter collection? Yeah, Winter Rose. So this is the Winter Rose pink base. So I like pinks, so this is big good for me. They have one of the Acid Rain paints. So these are paints, these are not bases. So the difference is, a base, you use it as a base for your eyeshadow. A paint can be used kind of like eyeshadow, if that makes any sense. Like, you don't need to layer them up. So this is in the shade Glow Girl, and these are the Mimi Mitchell collabs. So it's just like that colour there. Again, pink. I like pink, so I'm happy with that. There is the base in the shade No Games. So I'm not sure about this one. Like, let's have a little swatch. Like, there's one of them that like comes out brown, so I kind of I think it's that one. This is kind of like the only base that I didn't really want because it's too kind of dark. It's not really something I would wear, but it is very pretty. And then the last thing in the box is one of the Plouise bases. Now they just have these at random, and I think there's like about 10 shades now. So I've got the shade Rumour 7, which is obviously too dark for my lids. I might be able to see if I could like bronze or contour with it, because you can use these bases for other things. Like, I know she uses like the peachy one of this as like a blush, and she uses the normal, like the lighter, I think it's the Rumour 2. She uses that one as a concealer. So I might be able to contour with it or bronze. I don't know if it's going to be too dark for me, but you know, I can always have a go. So this is everything that I got in my box. 5 items for £25, which I think was a really good deal because it makes them like £5 each. Overall, it's quite a good selection because I do like pinks, which is great, and I did really want the gloss. So I'm happy. You know, I was going to order like the gloss, and I think it was something else, maybe like a base bundle, and that was going to be like £15 on its own, so I might as well pay £10 more and get 3 more products. So yeah, that's everything that I got today. So that's everything that I got in my box. Stay tuned because I will have the large box coming, and I will be doing an unboxing on that video as well, so stick around and I will see you again shortly. Bye.